Damn, that is fire. What's up, y'all? It's Derek once again, formerly known as New Element Studios. And I know it's been a while, quite frankly, like half a year, you know, life happens, but I've got a new project that I want to share with y'all and some new content I'm putting out. It'll be more consistent than ever, alright? First, let me get a breakdown. You don't already know just by clicking the thumbnail. As you saw, there's a new movie coming out next month, Spiderman. As you know, I've been making costumes for the past couple of years now. Kind of reverted from the special effects, but we're gonna implement both worlds into one. The series I'm putting together is more content created, break down the costume that I'm making next month. So this will be the first of maybe 4 or 5. It's gonna be piece by piece of the Spiderverse Miles Morales suit that will be dropping next month on the 13th of December. So until then, I'll be dropping videos of each piece of the costume that I'm putting together, and it's the one with the Jordans. But enough said, let's get into it. This video is about this. Getting right into it, this is the box that came with the Jordans. Standard box, nothing crazy. And it's funny, this is a more cosplay video, but this is also like a brief rundown of like how this shoe even works with the suit. So leather, this is suede. That's really cool. Under, I've worn it once already. So that's what it looks like under. This shoe right here obviously is not the exact one in the film. And why I even chose this costume in particular to attack is because I'm a new Jordan fan. The shoe he wears, and this is not like a video for like Jordan history or whatever, but this is just how I'm putting together what I know and how I'm doing it, and just going over like what I did to get to that level, to reach that look. With this, all I did was just go to Champs. This is actually in stores right now for about $110. That's a steal, plus tax is like $119, whatever. But I love this shoe so much. It's not the original. The original are the Chicago ones. It's this part right here is like white. It's a different colorway, but it's still the same Jordan. That's what I'm trying to get across. So for those that are doing this costume, you don't have to have the same look. It's whatever you like. I like this Jordan in particular because of like the way it looks, how sleek it is. It's mid, and it's my style. Like a lot of people are gonna agree, disagree, but you know, it's all about what I want to do and how I'm doing it. In fact, I think this Jordan looks better than the one in the film, the all-white Chicago's. And you can't even find that shit online. Like I took a look. I searched around. You're lucky enough to get a fake one, you know, but the real one, retro one, Chicago's that he wore, not happening. I mean, you know, if you got the connects like that, the plug, you know, by all means go for it. But for something of a costume like this, just get what you can and get the look. It's still the same Jordan 1, just a different colorway. This is not the traditional colorway of a Jordan, but it's still tight, like it's still dope. And it blends so well. There's nothing crazy about it. It's just Jordans, you know? But if you're looking for that look, anybody that's looking for that look that's doing the same costume, these are in store right now. Right now. And these are mids. Keep these away from the water. Like I said, this isn't like a Jordan video. This is just cosplay. This is what I'm using to put this costume together, how to implement it. It doesn't have to be perfect. It would be nice, but like I said, I prefer this one better than traditional Chicago ones. These are actually really my style. So, there's not much more to it. You know, came in the box, shoes, Jordans, whatever. And then you wear this with the dye sub. And when I mean blended in, I really mean blended in. Like, this is dope. Like, look at that. That's the suit. Can you imagine what that looked like? It's legit. I love this version of Miles. And this is just the shoes. Wait till I get to the shorts, the belt, the hoodie, bomber jacket. What? Who am I right now? Y'all already know what to do. Click that like button now. Subscribe if you're not already a subscriber. More content coming your way. More costumes, more videos, more effects. Subscribe right now.